4-in-1 set. Our nail art kit contains 4 different tools, including 1 piece of acrylic nail tips clipper, 1 piece of cuticle nipper, 1 piece of cuticle pusher, 1 piece of dead skin remover, enough to meet your cuticle removing needs and nail art manicure needs. Professional nail tip cutter. Our manicure nail clipper made of high-quality stainless steel. This nail clipper is durable and not easy to damage. The surface is coated with colored titanium, beautiful, fashionable and not easy to rust, and can be used for a long time. Curved handle comes with U-shaped blade. You can adjust the blade's tension to make the well cut, straight cut, round cut, cut out different shapes to fit your nails. Dual-end nail polish scraper and peeler. The stainless steel cuticle pusher and peeler are rust-proof, and widely applied to cut cuticles and push the soaked-off nail gel polish. Double-sided design is able to meet your different cuticle cutting demands. Multiple usage. These acrylic nail tools can be applied for both home and professional salons, practical and convenient to use, also serve as sweet gifts for your friends and families on Thanksgiving Day, birthday, Christmas and more. Top reviews from the United States. Quality is good. A little skeptical at first, but each piece appears to have a decent quality, with the right weight in your hand for added control. Don't know if the coloring will last, but that is not the important part.